Teach everyone today how to use the SUNKONZ multifunctional blender. 75 seconds to extract large yellow tea. First, we need to prepare the blender, mixing cup, tea extraction bracket, electronic scale, thermometer, and the ingredients needed. Among them, the SUNKONZ mixing cup, using Triton materials imported from the United States. ASEAN SF Food Grade Safety Certification, BPI, free. SUNKONZ tea extraction bracket, made of food-grade stainless steel material, safe, with strong corrosion resistance, suitable for commercial extraction of large tea sachets. Before tea extraction, we set the shortcut A to the tea extraction function. Turn on the blender. Close the soundproof cover properly. Press and hold the set key and A key simultaneously with both hands until the display interface switches to setting mode. Set the gear and time of band 1 to level 6 and 75 seconds respectively. Press the OK key, switch to the next wave band, check, and set the gear and time of subsequent wave bands all to 0. Wave band 3, gear and timer 0. Wave band 4, gear and timer 0. Wave band 5, gear and timer 0. Wave band 6, gear and timer 0. Wave band 7, gear and timer 0. Wave band 8, gear and timer 0. Wave band 9, gear and timer 0. Final wave band 10, gear and time also set to 0. Finally, press the set key to complete the setting. This program is recommended by SUNKONZ. Large yellow tea extraction procedure. Users can also adjust according to actual conditions. Install the tea extraction bracket. Open the pressure relief cup lid. Align the center notches on the 5 sides of the tea extraction bracket with the 5 ribs inside the mixing cup. Vertical down. Press lightly to the bottom. Put in 34 grams of large yellow tea sachet. The hot water required to extract tea. The temperature is controlled at 85 to 87 degrees Celsius. Capacity 900 milliliters. Pay attention when closing the cup lid. The groove on the 5 sides of the cup lid align with the 5 edges of the mixing cup rim. Spot aligns with spot. Press gently to close after placing. Open the soundproof cover. Turn the mixing cup vertically down. Place into the machine cup base. Close the soundproof cover properly. Press the A button to extract the tea. During the tea extraction process, we prepare a clean tea container. Pour 770 grams of edible rice into the container. The purpose of adding edible rice is to lock the concentration of the tea soup and stop bitterness, preserve aroma and stabilize tea color, extend shelf life. The machine stopped running. Open the machine soundproof cover. Lift the mixing cup vertically up and take it out. Open the pressure relief cup lid. Pour out the tea soup. Then stir evenly to cool it down. Large yellow tea extraction is complete.